let's look at this JAMB past question, question number 17 for Physics 2018. In the diagram above, the hanging mass M2, this is the hanging mass M2, is adjusted until M1 is on the verge of sliding. The coefficient of static friction between the mass M1 and the table is option A, M1 over M2, B, N1G over M2, C, M2 over M1, D, M2G over M1. So how do we go about solving this? Question number 17. Now, in order to be able to appreciate this question, we need to understand what coefficient of static friction is. And coefficient of static friction is actually the frictional force F all over the normal force R. So that is what coefficient of static friction is. Then basically, looking at this diagram and looking at the options that we have here, you can simply relate this by saying that U is the force by this M2, which is mass times acceleration due to gravity, all over the force by this M1, also times this acceleration due to gravity. So if you cancel this D and G, you will have U to be equal to M2 over M1, and that is C as being the option and the correct answer for this. So C is the answer. Thank you.